GradTrack community. My name is Imani Adams, and today I'll be talking to you all about building community and the importance of that. So, coming from undergraduate to graduate school, you may kind of already have some idea of joining clubs and organizations and finding out things that are interesting to you. Maybe even been part of some of your professional societies for your majors. And all of those things that you started in undergrad and forming those networks and networking are the same things that you need to do when you get to graduate school. One of the things the easiest way to to look at building your community is look at it from an academic and then from a personal interest point of view. From an academic point of view, you want to seek out those who have the same academic interest as you. So your first group of people that you may meet are those in your cohort. They're specifically tied to your major, and they will come in having similar experiences as far as academically that you may be having as you start your graduate journey. And then secondly, you want to reach out to your professional network. So with that, you may want to join some of your professional societies and professional organizations that tie to your your research area of interest, as well as your department. Because within that, you'll find those who have similar backgrounds, those who may be where you're trying to go. And you can find the mentors, the peer mentors, and even those who just you can with similar interests that you can seek out and learn more from. And then similar to your academic network that you need to form, you may also have your personal network. And with that, that's where you seek out the opportunities that you have when it comes to your interest. So what's important to you? Grad school is very busy, so you may not be able to be involved in everything, but you want to pick a couple of things that are important to you. If religion is important to you, you want to find a religious community that you can seek out and join. If sports are important to you, you may want to join intramural sports. If being involved in the social aspect of your school is something important to you, you may find an organization that's involved in planning social events around campus or getting people together for different social events. But the main thing about building your community is seeking out those who can be on your side, who can be in your corner when you need that motivation, who understand what you're going through, who can be there when you need someone to talk to and when you just need some additional understanding. Grad school can be very lonely. You can be very isolating if you allow it to be. And so that's why seeking out the communities are very important upfront from day one, because of the fact they allow you to be able to push through some of the difficult times of grad school, so that you don't feel so alone. It's isolating, but you don't have to make it isolating. You can seek out those to be in your corner when you need them the most. And that is why building a community in graduate school is very important.